Mistakes when investing in real estate. So here are 5 mistakes to avoid when investing in residential real estate. The first mistake is not doing your research. You need to know the ins and outs of the real estate market before you start investing. This means knowing things like the type of property selling, what the prices are in different areas, and what the trends are. Without this knowledge, you could end up buying a property that will have trouble renting out. Don't forget that. Another mistake is not getting a good team together. You will need a real estate agent, a loan officer, a property inspector, and a title company. Those people will help you with the process and make sure that everything goes smoothly. Believe me on that one. A good one is not having enough cash on hand. It's also another mistake when you're buying a property. You will need to put down a deposit, of course. You need to pay for inspection, for appraisal, and a little things here and there. If you don't have enough cash on hand, you might not be able to buy the property or even get it. Another mistake is not being prepared for maintenance. Properties need to be repaired and maintained over time, and if you are not prepared for this expense, it can eat up like into your profit and through your profits very quickly. And the final mistake is not knowing when to sell. It is not always best to hold the property for 15 or 20 years. I've seen clients get amazing results just within a few years where they take the profit and purchase more properties with the same money to increase their investment portfolio. By avoiding these mistakes, you will be well on your way to success as a real estate investor. I hope this helps. Thank you for being here.